Alright, so I'm gonna do a little DIY tutorial on how to decorate school notebooks. First, I'm taking cardstock or an old binder separator, and I'm gonna use a ruler and scissors to trim off the side. Next, I'll take a magazine and rip out pages that I like. Personally, I rip out pages with a nice design or a fun color. Then, I'm gonna use a triangle template to trace onto those pages and cut them out. After I have about 35 of these triangles, I arrange them in an alternating pattern on my cardstock. When I'm satisfied with the arrangement, I take my glue stick and glue each triangle down. There's a few empty spaces on the edges, so I glue down leftover triangles and trim the excess to reuse for other empty slots. I flip the cardstock around and glue down the flaps for a clean look. I could trim them off, but it almost never comes out clean. Now I'm gonna glue the cardstock onto the cover of my notebook. I cut slits on the rounded corners so I could fold them over easily. Then I glue down each flap. Finally, I used a Post-it to make a label for my notebook. And that's it.